If you want to free up your space on Windows, I'm going to show you one real solution. For now, here you can see it's almost full. First you need to open C drive and open users, and here open the user you want to clean up. For me, I open this first one, then open app data, then open local. Here you need to go through one by one. First I'm opening the Adobe. Now just click Ctrl All and Shift Delete. Then it asks you the permission. Just click Enter. Yeah, now it's cleared. Now just click back. Now I'm opening the Audacity software because I'm using this app regularly. So I just open this and just click Ctrl All to select. Then I click Shift Delete. It asks you permission. Just click Enter. And sometimes it shows like this. Just tick this checkbox and skip. And now it's done. Now click back. And you need to do this process on all these apps. Just like that. Now I just click this PC. Here you can see 14 point. It's changed it to blue and 14.5 gigabytes free. And this is how it works. If you want to know more videos about Windows, watch these videos.